Question 5's got a simplifying. There's a couple of different ones here to have a look at. There's a couple of ways of thinking about this one, but this is probably the clearest. Remember that this is a 1 here, okay? So if we have 4 times 1, we've got 4. And then we've got 3 times 3 in here, which is 9. So we've really got 4 root 9. But we can square root 9. The square root of 9 is 3, so it becomes 4 times 3, which is 12. Over here, we're more or less collecting like terms. We've got one group of root 3, and we take 4 groups of root 3 away, so we've now got negative 3 groups of root 3. And then I have negative 33, and I take another 3 away, so I've got negative 36, and that one is simplified. Down here, let's just simplify this fraction. I know that 3 will go into 3 once, so that leaves me root 1 at the top, and 3 will go into 48 16 times, so I've got root 16 at the bottom. But I can square root 1 and I can square root 16, so what I end up with is 1 over 4 in its simplest form. And then this one over here, even though it looks complicated, is actually quite simple. It's just 20 divided by 2, which is 10, so the answer is root 10. A bit similar to when we multiply the roots. Remember, it's just 3 times 3, so this is just 20 divided by 2.